A shopkeeper purchased 150 identical pieces of calculator at a rate of 250 rupees each. He spent an amount of 2500 on transport and packaging. He fixed the label price of each calculator at 320 rupees. He offered a discount of 5% on the label price. What is the profit percent earned by him? Okay, so first we need to find what is total cost price. Okay, so total cost price will be cost of all the calculators plus his transport cost. Alright, so cost of all the calculator, he bought 150 identical items at 250 each, so multiplied by 250 plus his transport cost is 2500. Alright, and this comes out to be 37,500 plus 2500, and this amounts to 40,000. Now we have total CP in our hands. Now what does it say? He fixed the label price of each calculator at 320. That means the marked price is 320, right? He offered a discount of 5%. That means his selling price is, he offered a discount of 5%. That means he's selling it at 95% of the marked price, which is 320. Okay, upon calculation we get this as 304. I have already calculated this value. I have multiplied on the blank page. I am not using any calculator, and neither should you. Okay, moving forward. Now this selling price is of just one calculator. So what will be the total SP, total selling price? 304 into how many items are there? 150, and this comes out to be 45,600. all right, now we have total SP, we have total CP. Now we have to just calculate the profit percent. What is the profit percent formula? It's selling price minus cost price over cost price into 100. So selling price is 45,600 minus cost price, that is 40,000, over 40,000 into 100. So we are left here with 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled. We are left here with 5600 over 400. 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 1s are 1 remaining, for 4s are 16. That means 14%, and this is our required answer. So here option A is the correct one.